knew we were getting married when she farted in front of me. That's when I knew. Right, it's happening now. It took her 5 years to let it out, but I shit you not, when I heard it, it sounded like 5 years of backdating. I never thought a fart could have gears, man. But at like 4 in the morning, I just heard this. She done the next thing, and I'm like, uh-oh, spare room. I met her father when I got stoned. I shouldn't have, because he's from South Africa, and all I could do was concentrate on the strange way they were talking. Have you heard them talk from South Africa? It's a very strange accent. They talk like they have a little pocket full of little full stops. Every time they talk, they take out a full stop and put it in front of everything they fucking take. I don't know how they enjoy sex. They're like, oh my God, I'm coming. There it is. Thank you, that was great. I thoroughly enjoyed that. She turned on me with my story. I'm a bad story. I had no idea. She recorded me. She played it back to me. She woke me up. She's like, I need you to listen to this. I can't put up with this anymore. She pressed play. This is all I heard coming back at me. Is that it? She's like, no, listen! Like, there's nothing happening. She's like, shut up, listen! 20 seconds went by, man, I heard nothing. And at the end of 20 seconds, I heard... I'm like, oh my God, I wasn't breathing! That's how you die, honey, there's no air under my head! She's like, I know! Why didn't you wake me up? She's like, I had to record it! She made me go to a sleep apnea clinic. I had to try this pillow. I had to sleep on a slab of steel with wires hooked up to me. And a gay doctor going, just relax. Is this how you sleep, mister? How is this relaxing? And then in the morning they go, we know what's going on, your esophagus is collapsing. You need a special pillow that adjusts your head, a snoring pillow. I took it home to try it for one night. If you ever come across this pillow, don't get it. It's full of hundreds of tiny springs like matchsticks. Hundreds of them, like a grill plate, encased in memory foam. You charge it into a wall socket for 2 hours, then you sleep on it like a regular pillow. The pillow senses vibration during the night, snoring, comes alive, and the springs start to move to adjust your head. So you'd be sleeping like... She's like, well, it didn't work. So I went back, and I'm cured now. I wear a gum shield. Yeah. Bottom jaw pushes my bottom jaw forward, unblocking the windpipe. I haven't snored in 8 months. I'm cured. The only problem is now when I sleep, I look like this. Every now and then she'll roll over for a fuck, but she'll just laugh and fuck off. She's like, I just can't.